This is Matt and this will be a short video on how to connect Gmail to Claude. So I'm right here in my Claude. I have a random open new conversation open right here. So very simple. There's a couple of different ways that we can do this, but what we are going to do to make the connection is we click on this plus icon. It says add files, connectors and more. So we click on the plus and then we come down to connectors. So you can see any connectors that you already have. So these are essentially plugins. Like you see, I have the Canva one selected right here. So in order to add Gmail, we're going to click on add connector. And we can see right here all of the available connectors that we have. So we see right here that Gmail is number 2 most popular currently. So these are kind of plugins that you can add to your Claude to make it more useful for you. So if you don't see Claude here, when you scroll down, if you don't see Gmail even, you can type in Gmail at the top, and just like that, Gmail would be present right here at the top. We are going to click on Gmail, and it's very simple. You just get this blurb saying some of the things that you can do with this Gmail connection. We're going to click on this big black connect button right here, and we will then grant access. So I'm not going to go through with this full process right here, but you will literally just click on your Gmail account right here. That will connect it up. And just like that, you'll be able to use Claude with Gmail. I don't actually want to do it on my account right here, but if you want to do it, this is exactly what you do. Claude for Gmail will then be connected, and Claude will be able to interact with your Gmail. So I'm not going to go through a full how-to video from here. This is just for the basic integration, but that is how you integrate your Gmail with your existing Claude account. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.